我哋係 Stanford 嘅家長，我係 Diane。
Hello， 我係 Bobby。我哋有兩個小朋友嘅 Channing Grade 5同埋 Lena Grade 3。
我哋join咗 Stanford 3年度啦，兩個小朋友都係雙語班嘅學生。我諗咧，第一樣其實吸引我哋咧，就係佢嗰個 curriculum。小學嘅課程咧都有呢個雙語班喎。我哋係咯一個香港人嘅 family， 如果可以想捕捉到呢個大灣區以後嘅機會咧，咁其實一個有呢個雙語能力咧都係非常之緊要嘅。所以任何一個想學雙語嘅小朋友咧，其實嗰個中文嘅 exposure 同埋每日浸淫嘅時間咧，應該都係要高啲先可以達到嗰個水平嘅，即係唔係淨係學普通話，而係佢平時即係可能 alternate 嘅數學啊 science 都會係普通話教，一日普通話教，一日英文教嘅。我都希望個小朋友係可以喺呢個比較 rigorous 嘅 curriculum 嗰度去學習。我講下 Channing 先啦。咁我覺得即係佢整體係成熟咗啦，因為學校好多呢種 group project，或者好多譬如一啲學校成個 school-wide 嘅 activity， 老師亦都會教佢哋，即係作為一個 community 裡面一個成員啦，有啲乜嘢嘅責任，你要顧及成個大局。我覺得佢學到呢啲嘢，即係佢有個 awareness， 我唔係淨係諗住自己。咁我嘅 aspiration 都係希望佢重新出發啦，揾到自己中意嘅嘢。一個小朋友其實佢成長嘅過程裡面，我哋好睇重其實佢知唔知道自己係邊個，佢揾到自己中意啲乜嘢，或者自己唔中意啲乜嘢。我哋喺屋企啦，同埋要求學校咧，都係希望俾到佢哋一個比較闊嘅一個 spectrum， 闊嘅一個空間，一來睇到多啲嘢啦，二來就係讓佢哋自己嘅興趣啊，佢哋中意啲咩，其實係慢慢咁樣去認知、去摸索咯。即係個老師係亦都有嗰個係好有耐心去，即係 truth seeking， 同埋係好 encourage 小朋友去 develop 呢種即係 independent 諗嘢嘅方法，亦都好有認知、好 experience 嘅老師先到做到呢啲嘢咯。咁喺呢間學校我睇到啲老師真係好有經驗。
To begin off with, it's the robotics that Channing loves so much. It's to help him with his passion, basically. So I think it aligns with us being that we let them navigate their own future, and then we just support in which way along the way, basically.
Stanford 嘅 STEM program 啦，成日都會有啲情況係去比賽嘅，即係無論係校際或者圍內嘅。然之後咧，佢咧都幾難嘅，因為可能係即日要你係去自己 form 一個團隊，冇得準備嘅。然之後係當日咧話俾你聽嗰個 task 嗰個 mission 係乜，要即場新嘅隊員去砌一個 solution 出嚟，然之後即刻比賽，係啦。咁你可想而知嗰個壓力。即係有時間嘅壓力啦，有團隊摩擦，你要摸一下，你唔識過嗰個人，可能係第二個 grade 嚟嘅喎。咁所以其實係即係呢啲嘅磨練咧，我覺得係好緊要咯。你係要好多 soft skills 咧，你先嗰件事先做得成嘅。咁我覺得係Stanford 係會俾到呢啲機會。跟住第二咧。學校其實都非常之重視呢個 STEM 啦，亦都有一個好好嘅 robotics program 啦，即係我唔係淨係講課外活動，即係可能喺日常嘅課程裡面都有好多呢啲元素嘅，咁佢就即係而家就好發展咗佢呢個嘅熱愛啦，對於 robotics， 咁亦都除咗佢熱愛咧，學校都係有機會，譬如校隊啊，都係好多出去比賽， 見下世面啊嘅機會啦，俾佢咁係即係亦都有發揮嘅空間咯。我覺得學校都好 recognize 呢啲 soft skills 嘅嘢咯，即係佢未必衡量一個小朋友，淨係睇佢成績或者淨係睇佢話做 math 做得啱幾多嗰啲，其實好多機會俾個小朋友去表現同埋磨練佢呢啲，譬如 leadership skills 啊，點樣 collaboration 嘅，我哋真係睇到嘅。呢間學校咧真係好 future focus 嘅，同埋咧係一個比較全人嘅發展啦，即係emotional 嘅 well-being 咧，其實佢哋都睇得好，即係都 balance 到有呢樣嘢嘅。
I feel like Stanford would be a good school for future coming families if your kids want to be open to a bit more of a diversity whereby no matter which part of the country you're from, you're still able to learn Mandarin at a somewhat of a native speaking level and other different languages as well.
如果咧你想小朋友一個比較 rigorous 嘅 training 啦，去 prepare for 個未來啦，咁我覺得 Stanford 好啱你咯。